Computer's moving a little slow. Come on, come on. Okay. All right, Ms. Peterson, looks like you're asking for 60 more days.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the last action on this case? It's not written on the ticket at all.
This is arraignment on bench warrant. Nothing has ever happened. This person.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna get your license. All right, gotcha. Okay, calling ticket number P930700, City versus Kaylin Peterson. Ms. Peterson, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning. It's Kaylin Peterson.
Thank you. You're charged with driving while license not valid, a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fine. I do not consider this a jailable offense, so you should not be worried about that. Looks like you're asking for 60 days because you're going to try to get your license in order.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, I can't push it out any further than that, okay? Because they watch me and how long it takes for me to dispose of cases. So I'll put it out to June 29th, but that's pushing it. So that's going to be the final date, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so June 29th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Judge. This is House Counsel. If I can ask the clerk a question, please.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Yeah, good morning again. I have a last name Parks, first name Javon. He's here for a pretrial, but it sounds like he's been appointed an MIDC attorney. Could you please double check that for me?
Yes, the request was made. Let me check and see if I received an email. We had that new system, so we don't get notice like we usually do, like we used to.
All right. He mentioned he did speak to someone, but he couldn't remember their name, so.
Yeah, whoever it was didn't let me know because their name hasn't been added in the register of action. So, I mean, it's still early, so
All right.
he
So
can
what-
wait.
They
Sure.
wouldn't even be here from until 9:15.
Okay, I just wanted to know. I didn't want to start talking to him and then have the MIDC attorney get all upset with me. So I'll just make a little notation on his name, and we'll just give it some time. Okay.
Okay, I'll try and see if there's a way on there on that system for us to see who's assigned. It's new, so
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
All right, guys.
okay.
Okay, I've got Shelly's iPhone. Unmute, please. What's the full name?
Tyree Thomas.
Okay, well, that's definitely not. You said Tyree?
Tyree, Kyri Thomas.
Kyri Thomas.
Yes.
Thank you. And then I've got a device that just says Daquan. Unmute. Give me a name, please. Daquan, unmute and give me a name, please. Mr. Thomas, you're going to be placed in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. Please don't use the help button once you're in that room. If you have an emergency, just come back out and we'll reschedule you. It stops court out here when you keep asking for help and using the help button and makes it more difficult for us to get through the docket. Going to room 20, please go ahead and hit join. Attorney Taylor, did you need me? You're muted.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Emmanuel Palmer, And I talked to the people yesterday. This case is going to be dismissed. I mean, I waive his appearance if he's not here, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you. May I have the Emmanuel Palmer file, please? Thank you. Calling ticket number P1849048, City versus Emmanuel Palmer. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Emmanuel Palmer. For the purposes of this hearing, I waive his appearance. I talked to the people yesterday, and they indicated to me that they were going to be dismissing all these cases, Your Honor.
Thank you. I am looking here at a motion to suppress and request for evidentiary hearing. Was that filed? It's in the folder.
Yes, Your Honor. That my client gave me that, and I gave it to the attorney, and we discussed it. And again, she decided to dismiss it, Your Honor.
Okay, and that was with Ms. Horn?
Tamika Horn, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, I will go ahead and dismiss the matter at this time. Have a good day, Attorney Taylor.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. Sierra Tolton, please unmute.
Yes.
Turn on your camera, please. Do you need to leave court? Some emergency? Good morning.
No, I didn't. I thought I was in the wrong room, so I just was trying to see was I in the right room.
Okay, yeah. I mean, someone would have told you when you checked in, or by now, if you weren't in the right place. So you are in the right place.
Okay.
And now you need to get back there because you were in one of my higher numbered rooms, which means if you don't hurry up and get back to
So
it,
push join break room.
I guess. I'm not looking at your device, so
Okay.
I don't want you to miss them, but they'll be coming your way. Got Ms. Horn here. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I'm just confirming, Ms. Horn. Can I have that last file, please? That Attorney Ed Taylor was just here. He said you guys had discussed a case, Emmanuel Palmer, that was being dismissed by the city today. Daquan, number one, you got put out before because I can't hear you. Now you're driving, which you cannot do in court. I need you to give me a full name, and then I'm going to put you in the breakout room. As long as you're not engaged, you need to pull over while I'm talking to you, though, so that I can get you.
I'm pulled over now, Your Honor. My last name is Porterfield.
Porterfield. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Okay, there may be a bit of a wait. I don't care if you're driving while you wait, obviously, but once they come in there to talk to you, you got to pull over. Okay.
Okay.
All right, there's a little bit of wait. If you know you need to show documents like registration or insurance, go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting, so you'll have them for the attorney when they get in there. All right, room 21, go ahead and hit join, please. All right, I've got somebody in a baseball shirt. What's your name, please?
Rodney Tuck.
Okay, please spell the first name.
Rodney, last name Tuck.
You were here yesterday, Mr. Tuck. You came late, remember? I remember. Yes, you do remember.
Yeah, I remember. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're 30 minutes later than I told you to be this morning, which is okay. It just means you got to wait a little while because there's people in front of you. Okay. All right. Let's see. Attorney Harris, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Which case are you here on, please?
Jennifer Peoples, 835 formal hearing.
Okay. I heard Peoples, but I didn't hear. Your audio is.
Jennifer is the first name.
Jennifer Peoples, formal hearing.
Okay. So just so you know, we found her on the docket because you gave us the time, but there's no way that I can conduct a formal hearing with the way your audio is right now. So let me know if you're not going to be able to change that.
Okay, I am working on it now.
Okay, there we go. That was nice and clear. Okay, I'm getting you into room 2.
Okay, and Your Honor, good morning, everyone. If I could have co-host.
Yes, sorry, because you do have 2 attorneys now in room 2 waiting for you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Officer Nelson, good morning. Which case are you here on today?
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good.
I'm here on Palmer, first initial O.
Oh, Palmer. Okay, thank you. All right, then I'll get you into.
And I see you, Officer Nelson. This is Tamika. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Said O Palmer.
Correct.
Thank you. Okay, getting you into room 1. I just need to rename Mr. Tuck with his offer from yesterday so that they'll know when they get to him. Okay. And then I'll just tell counsel to check their email. We'll send this over.
Right.
Okay, sorry. When you come back, I do need you to help me scan and email this to the attorney that's working the room Mr. Tuck is going into.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Tuck, moving you into breakout room. Go ahead and hit join, gather documents if you need to. Room 22.
Yes, ma'am.
Jemiah Parks, good morning. Please unmute, turn on your camera. Thank you.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. All right, calling ticket number SP 18592951, City versus Jemiah Parks. Ms. Parks, just state your name for the record, please.
Jemiah Parks.
Thank you. Your sole charge in front of me today is for no insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents and made a motion for me to dismiss your case on that basis, which I am happy to do. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right, bye-bye. All right, Miss Ash or Mr. and Ms. Ashton Tarpley, please unmute, turn on your video so that I can call your matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good morning. I'm all right.
Good. All right. Let's see. I have, what do we got here? Which attorney did you speak with this morning, Mr. Ferry?
I was just talking to him because he asked me, did I have my driving license and all that? And I would just tell him I just left the Secretary of State yesterday to try to get my license. But she had gave me a piece of paper and said I had one more ticket I had to take care of before I can do everything. So he asked me, can I get another 30 days or 45 days before I could take care of everything? Because she said I got one ticket in Dearborn I got to really take care of. That's what's holding me up to get my license.
Okay, all right. Looks like the city wanted to know if you had that, so we'll go ahead and give you some time. So calling ticket number SP 116-46801, City versus Ashton Tarpley. Mr. Tarpley, go ahead and state your name for the record, please.
Ashton Tarpley.
Thank you.
This the paper right here.
Okay, great. You can go ahead and put that down. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So I'm going to set this 30 days out, May 28th. Okay.
Okay.
So May 28th. At 8:35 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
And then, I mean, when you come, just so that you're not, so that your expectations are properly managed, right? Given the number of tickets that you have, if you had kind of one of each or two of each, it might be a complete dismissal. They're going to the city's going to say that you need to take on some responsibility for something.
Okay.
Given the case, I don't want you to come back thinking, I'm getting everything done and these will all be dismissed. That likelihood that's not really likely, but you're going to really help yourself if you have things in order. She will look at that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. We'll see you back on May 28th.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye. Okay, Ashley Thompson. Hey, Attorney Scheib.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It's so good to see you.
You too.
Let me get a couple people in the breakout rooms and I'll be right with you. Ashley Thompson, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't use the help button. Just use the time you're waiting to grab documents, registration, insurance, etc. if you need it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You're going to room 23. Please hit join.
Your Honor, I'm
I have
gonna come up to the courtroom, okay? I'm
Okay.
ready for this thing, but I'll come up since I'm in the building if that's okay.
Good to see you. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
See you. Okay, bye. All right, I've got Chris. Chris, unmute, please.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, and what is that your first name?
Well, my first name is Christopher
Okay, and what's your last name?
Pegues. Spelled P-E-G-U-E-S-E, Junior.
Yep. Okay, thank you. I'll make sure I make that a junior. Here are the two I did while you were gone. Those two right there. Okay, Mr. Pegues, same thing. I'm going to send you to a breakout room to wait for an attorney to come see you. Don't hang up once you get there. They're coming. You're going to room 24. Hit join, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I have Zoom user. Please unmute and give me a name.
Deshaun Pearson.
Deshaun, D-E-S-H-A-W-N.
No, D-E-S-E-A-N.
Thank you.
P-E-A-R-S-O-N.
Room 25, please hit join. Do we have appointed counsel on the span? No, okay. Attorney Ferry is in there now with them. Sure.
Alrighty, I got it.
Thank you. And they actually did put this, you must have done it. Tuck, put him on the docket for today.
No, not if he was here. He was supposed to be here yesterday.
He was, but he's on the docket for today too. It looks like, I'm just taking a second look. No, maybe maybe I was looking at the wrong day.
Let's see if he.
He has a lot, he has several, so he needs to see counsel.
Yeah, so I don't know.
No, he's on my docket for today at 8:30. So somehow he got added into the docket today. He starts at the bottom of the first 8:30 docket.
I don't see anything for the 27th, so maybe he was early. I don't know.
Well, I had an offer for him for the 27th.
Oh,
So somehow he's ended up both days. I don't know, but that's okay, whatever. What is going on with Andre Pruitt?
he pled guilty in 2023. And now he doesn't remember that. And he said he thought he was, oh, you know what?
Corporal Croxton, good morning. I'm going to get you into breakout room 1. Corporal Croxton, I placed you in room 1. On the iPhone, I need a name, please. Unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you. Hi, thank you. What's
Kevin Purry.
Kevin Pryor?
Kevin Purry.
Spell the last name, please.
P as in Paul, U-R-R-Y.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. Please use the time that you are waiting for the attorney to gather any necessary documents if they're related to your case, like registration and insurance. There is a wait. Don't use the help button. We can see you waiting. We know you're there. We're moving as fast as we can. If you need to come out and be rescheduled because you have an emergency, just come back out here and let us know. Room 26, please hit join. Did Ms. Horn leave us? Really need to talk to her. Where did she go?
I wrote it on. It's on his spot. That was 190 from October 10th, 2023, Lee, for no annual MDOT safety inspection. He said he thought he was going to trial, and I, told him, well,
Okay, you can give it to me.
that's not today.
Thank you. Irisha Phelps, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good. You're going to be placed in a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
Okay, there is a wait. Please don't use the help button. Just use the time to gather documents if you need to show them things like registration or insurance documents. Room 27. Hit join, please.
Okay.
Mr. Pruitt. Nope. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Andre Pruitt, good morning. Go ahead and activate your camera. Unmute, please. Attorney Gaten Robinson, good morning. Excuse me, Attorney Gaten Robinson, just before I start with Mr. Pruitt, do you need me?
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize. I didn't realize I was muted. Do you see Kyrie Thomas on your docket? I do not see him on mine.
Madam Clerk is on the phone, so let me take a look.
I've been through it like 4 times. I don't see it.
I don't see him either. Okay, Madam Clerk will have to help with.
I'm about to look it up now. You said
Kyrie, he spells it Kyri, Thomas.
he is scheduled for tomorrow, pre-trial at 8:35.
So I will let him know. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
All right, I'm calling ticket number SP 1269570 City versus Andre Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Andre Pruitt.
Thank you. I understand that you have a motion for plea withdrawal from a plea that was entered, it appears in 2023, an offense date from 2021. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Mr. Pruitt, I'm trying to hear your motion, but I can't hear anything that you're saying, so I need you to speak up.
Can you hear me now?
I can. Is that correct, that you're trying to withdraw a plea from 2023 from an offense that allegedly occurred in 2021?
Yes.
Okay. What is the basis for your motion for plea withdrawal?
You said, what is my basis?
Right. Why should I allow you to withdraw your plea?
Oh, the inspection sticker that was provided at the time wasn't on the vehicle, but I had it present. And he told me that we'll just take it to court at the time. And I was aware that I was supposed to have a court date.
So, Mr. Pruitt, according to my records, you missed court at least 3 times. Once in 2022. And then I've got some other failures to appear. It says that you were appointed counsel in this case, that you had an attorney that you were working with. I can see that a work letter was generated. And then you received a delayed sentence, meaning had you just paid the $190 in 3 months, this wouldn't even be on your record anymore. So you had counsel appointed. This reflects a plea agreement under which you wouldn't even have a delayed sentence. I mean, a record anymore of this. And so when you file a motion for plea withdrawal, one of the things that I have to consider is whether the other side would be prejudiced by that plea withdrawal and whether you're at fault for the time that's elapsed since then. Okay. So I have several failures to appear in your file, meaning you would be deemed at fault for the time that has elapsed since you've entered your plea. And then, certainly they're going to be prejudiced when 5 years has gone by since this ticket was entered, and the officer would have to rely on his recollection of the events now in 2026. So I don't have any basis upon which to grant plea withdrawal for you. Now, what I will do, if you would like me to, is extend the time so that I'll reopen it as a delayed sentence if you want to try to get it off your record and make the payment that you agreed to make 3 years ago. But I'm not going to grant plea withdrawal 5 years later, especially when you haven't been showing up for court.
I never got anything in the mail. I got this one in the mail. I went to jail like last month and everything came and I was like, oh, never knew about this. So that's why I figured all of these things out and came to this conclusion. And I talked to an attorney last week and he told me that we would take this to trial. That's what he told me. And this was today. So I was kind
No,
of confused.
trial's not today. You're asking to withdraw a plea today, and I'm not going to grant it. It's been 5 years. It's been 5 years. And, you know, you were present, according to this Register of Actions, many times. You had counsel appointed to you who worked with you. You asked that a letter be generated for work. Someone did that, according to the Register of Actions. So you telling me that you don't remember ever being there is just not flying today. So I said, what I can do for you is if you want me to reopen your delayed sentence so that you can make the payment, I will do that. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, that's the only option that I have.
It's $190. We've been waiting 3 years. How much longer do you need to pay it?
Right now I'm need can you give me 6 to 8 months because I'm working on the with my probation right now. That's kind of taking a toll on me.
What I can do is I will not extend it for 6 to 8 months. It was originally only a 3-month delayed sentence. What I can do is convert it to community service for you if you'd like me to do that.
Yes.
All right. So this is going to convert to 13 hours of community service. I will give you your original term of 90 days to get it done. If you decide you do not want to do the community service, you may make the $190 payment. I want you to come back July 27th, 2026, so that we can confirm this has gotten done, okay?
Okay. So as far as the community service, what's the requirements for that?
So I'm going to give you a phone number
in
to
the
call.
mail?
Please please take down the number Madam Clerk is getting ready to give you. You'll call them, ask them for placement as to the community service. When you get back here in 90 days, I want to see this done. Or else you're going to lose the delayed sentence. It's going to stay on your record. It's been 3 years.
The number is 313-965-8130. You can give them a call tomorrow to see about placement somewhere.
And you say I got to do what? You said 10 hours?
13 hours.
Is the client going to pick up?
No.
Yeah. And you say I need to report back here. You said July 9th?
July 27th, 8:30 a.m. All right, Mr. Pruitt, have a good day.
Your Honor, may I?
Just 1 second, please. Would you please make a note on that file that the motion for plea withdrawal was denied? I want to make sure that that's also noted on the back of the ticket. Ms. Palmer, I'll be with you in just a moment. Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor. There's a note next to Mr. Tuck's name to check my email. I don't have an email regarding him.
Don't worry about it. Somehow he ended up on the docket from yesterday, it looks like, and today. So you actually have his stuff. He's on the docket for today.
Okay. I thought it was something special going on with his case.
He's just been 2 days in a row, and he was on the docket yesterday, but he's also on the docket today, and it's the exact same stuff. So I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Okay. All right. I'm going to deal with the Paracat file, and then Ms. Scheib, I'll deal with your case. All right. Do we have the defendant out?
Good
Where's
morning.
Dalal? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. All right. And then our trooper was here on this. Let me just make sure. Not here anymore. Okay. All right. To Madam Interpreter, good morning. Name and qualifications for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gloria Guerra Vigen, Spanish interpreter. Qualifications are I am preparing for the oral test. I have passed the written examination and working for the oral, and I'm qualified by my agent.
All right, thank you. And this court is very frequent, very familiar with the frequency of your work and the high quality of your work. Thank you. I do find you qualified. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English today.
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Calling ticket number X4657105, City versus Dalal Paracat.
Llamando a la boleta de infracción SX46577105, la Fiscalía versus Dalal
Schmidt.
Dalal Schmidt.
Thank you.
Gracias.
All right. You were originally charged with speeding 21 to 25 over. I understand you will be admitting to the amended charge of blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Yo entiendo que usted fue originalmente acusada de ir arriba del límite de velocidad de 21 a 25 millas arriba de la velocidad límite y se estará declarando responsable o admitiendo responsabilidad al cargo enmendado de bloquear o impedir el tráfico. ¿Eso es correcto?
Correcto.
That's correct.
All right, the court will accept your admission. The fine is $175. You have 60 days to get it paid or begin a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor.
Muy bien, entonces este juzgado está aceptando su declaración de su admisión de responsabilidad y le está imponiendo una multa de $175. Usted tendrá 60 días para pagarlo o para venir a los cajeros del primer piso en el tribunal y ponerse dentro de un plan de pagos.
Okay.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Tenga un buen día. Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
De los puntos, me los quiso. Ya,
Oh,
sorry.
about the points, no, took them off. Okay, sorry.
Okay, have a good day.
Que tenga un buen día.
Gracias, Gloria.
Gracias, Gloria. Thank you. Thank you,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
All right, Attorney Jeans, good morning. Your client is in room 25. City Attorney will come to room 2 when she returns. You have co-host. You can go to 25 if you need to.
Thank you.
Ms. Palmer, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Someone will come see you shortly. You're going to room 3. Please hit join.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Scheib, let's get you going here. Is your client appearing or are you waving?
Waving.
Okay, thank you. All right. Calling ticket number P1885056, City versus Jennifer Peoples. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's Omar Tariq.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
I was looking at. Oh, I was looking at.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1806723, City versus Omar Tariq. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. P number 81798 on behalf of Mr. Tariq, respectfully asking the court for his presence.
All right, thank you. Waiver is granted. And looks like the original charge was failure to stop. Is there a resolution?
Yes, Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak to the city prosecutor, and I believe there's an offer of blockading. The officer was here. She did let the officer go.
Okay, thank you. All right, court will accept your admission on your client's behalf to blockading, $175, 60 days to pay or get on a payment plan with the cashiers.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
So good to see you. I'm glad I got to see you today.
Thank you.
We have the Pisminti trial today. Okay. All right. Good morning, Ms. Thomas, Mr. Pisminti, placing you both in breakout rooms so that we can get you ready for your trial or resolution today. An attorney will be there to see you shortly. Ms. Thomas, you're going to room 4. Mr. Pisminti, you're going to room 5.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry for interrupting, Judge. Is the clerk available?
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, hi, this is House Counsel again. I have another situation where I think the person has an MIDC attorney, and that would be Thompson Ashley under 915.
Yes, I'm trying to reach him to find out about these, appointments. Maybe they can do spot appointments or something.
Okay, but you verified that Ms. Thompson does at least appear to have an MIDC, correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's all I need to know. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Investigator Hoskins, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1.
Good morning. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let me. When you have a moment. Officer Ross, please unmute. What case are you here on, please?
1 second, ma'am. Let me look. I am here on Christopher Pegas Javon Jr.
Okay, he is here.
Okay.
I'll put you in room 1. City attorney will be there to talk to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
J and V. Other ones.
Do we get an SOS on Romero Turner?
Okay.
Room 11.
Yes, that's one of them. Yes. Thompson. Yes. Ashley.
We need an SOS there.
No, that's If he is, could you?
Carrie Parks Ruff, unmute, please.
Yes.
I just need a yes or no answer. Do you have proof of insurance today?
I do not.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, then go ahead, look at your device, please, and see if you can return yourself to your breakout room so you can speak with the attorney. I'll move you back. Watch your device. I'm going to move you twice. Join the breakout room.
Okay. Thank you. I don't know if Lean went down because I'm not getting a response from SOS yet.
Okay.
And we believe Attorney Soroki is assigned to these
Okay.
clients. So he called him and left him a message for him to come to our courtroom. He's supposed to be here anyway for a couple of trials.
Javon Parks, good morning.
Good morning. I was already in a breakout room. I don't know how I just left it.
Which one were you in?
7.
Okay, give me just a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Did you speak with an attorney yet this morning?
I spoke to one, but the one I spoke to, he said I already had one assigned to me, and my case wasn't starting until 9:15. So, and I haven't heard back from no one since like 8:50.
Have you talked to an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, I'm sorry. They have a new process that they just implemented for appointing attorneys. And so there's been a lot of confusion, just to tell you the truth. I'm waiting for the attorney we believe was appointed to your case to check in. We put a call out to them, but they may not even be aware that they were appointed with this new system. So I'm going to get you into the breakout room, and then we're figuring it out. Thank you for your patience.
No problem. No problem. Thank you.
Okay. Back to room 7. And let's see, what are we stalled? Poor Sierra Tolton, she has just been raising her hand. I'll just give her a date to come back then. She obviously has got something going on. Can I have her file? Ms. Tolton, you had your hand raised?
Oh, I didn't know I pushed it. I was still in the waiting room. I'm just waiting to be seen.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. Because you're obviously tired of waiting. The issue is you have 16 tickets in warrant status.
16 tickets?
Yep, you have. Now they may be on one ticket, so they may not be 16 different stops, but you have 16 tickets in warrant status. Okay. What I'm going to do today, because they weren't all included in the city attorney's offer because they were in warrant status. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to set aside the warrants for you so you don't have warrants out there. I'm going to give you a date to come back so they can put these all together and give you a better offer.
Okay.
You can get all your tickets resolved. So calling ticket number P1874184 and all other related matters on today's docket and in warrant status for Sierra Monteith Tolton. Just state your name for the record, please.
Sierra Tolton.
Okay, so Ms. Tolton, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you come back on May the 12th at 8:35 a.m. At that time, we'll have all of these tickets put together so that you can talk about what you want to do about them, okay?
Yes.
You do have tickets for registration, license plates. If you've got any of those things in order, that's great. It will be helpful.
Mhm.
But if not, they'll still try to make you a deal that will wrap all of this up for you so that you'll be back on the road to getting all those things in order, okay?
Yes.
All right, so May 12th, 8:35 a.m., we will see you back.
Okay,
Okay.
come down there or on Zoom.
You can zoom in just like you did today.
Okay, April 12th at 8:30.
Yeah, May 12th, 8:35 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. And for the record, setting aside all warrants as to that individual. All our SOS reports coming in? Okay, good. That's good. Just make some note on the rooms. Hey, Compton. All right.
Oh, okay. I was just about to
He's in the courtroom.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, you said Romero Turner is suspended. Terry Parks ref, did we do that one?
I think I didn't. Yeah, she was suspended.
Oh, I may not have needed it on Parks ref. Let me see. Attorney Dane Robinson?
Did we have any officers check in on John Zane Thomas?
Not that I know of yet.
Okay,
What
we
time
have
did-
till 10 o'clock for her.
If she was set for 9:30, then they have till 10.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, thanks. On Parks ref, what's this charge? No. I know everybody's here. Well, hold on in his matter. On Perkins matters, that's up for trial or pre-trial?
It's a pre-trial.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, let him know that we're here. His client's been waiting. Okay.
And Your Honor, did Croxton call in? Did he check in and leave out?
He did.
Okay.
But I'm glad
he's
you
not here.
reminded me. He didn't tell me he was leaving, and if they don't tell me, I will forget and have a no officer. So I'm glad you told me.
Miss
Okay.
Harris is coming in. The people will move for dismissal. I'll go in and let her know.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
That's for Jennifer.
Okay, I got that file. Thank you. All right, Attorney Harris.
Yes.
I understand there's a dismissal here.
Yes, Your Honor. Are you able to hear me?
I am, thank you. Calling ticket number P1885056, City versus Jennifer Peoples. Attorney Harris, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, SP72832, on behalf of Ms. Peoples, respectfully request to waive my client's appearance as this is a civil infraction.
Thank you. Motion to waive appearance is granted. I understand from
Yeah,
the
I believe
city
it.
that there's dismissal in this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. We ask court to adopt that recommendation.
All right, thank you. Ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay. We haven't heard from Soroki. You think Javon Parks is
He's
Soroki?
in court, yeah, that's what
You know,
I'm, so like, I mean.
we can't do this. Stack an attorney's cases all up in one day if they're going to be in another courtroom, because it brings our courtroom to a halt. We can't move cases.
Here, I received was the one for.
All right, Mr. Porterfield, I'm going to go ahead and call your matter. Just give me one moment, please. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1856713, City versus Daquan Porterfield. Mr. Porterfield, state your name for the record. I can't hear you, Mr. Porterfield. Why can't I hear him? This is frozen. Oh boy. If he comes back, great. If he doesn't, for the record, in City versus Daquan Porterfield, ticket number P1856713, defense counsel has reviewed valid insurance documents as to the vehicle. Case will be dismissed. Mr. Porterfield was present a moment ago, but just had a technical difficulty and ended up logging off. But for the record, the ticket is dismissed.
Thank you, Judge. You want me to place my appearance on?
You can if you wish to do so. Yep.
Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Daquan Porterfield. That is correct, Your Honor. He did text me a copy of valid automobile insurance from Progressive, and he was having some problems with his device. So I appreciate the court waiving his presence and dismissing the matter. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. This is crazy. Does Kevin Purry have trial or is he final pre-trial?
I think it's pre-trial. He's the only one that I received the appearance for that.
And he is
assigned to
Soroki.
yeah.
I mean, he's going to have to send someone else here. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, you are loaded up here today.
Okay.
That's okay. I'm going to try to call them out to you. You've got Omega Palmer, who's here for trial.
Right.
I don't know if I'd have an officer check in there. Then I have, you're assigned to Mr. Pizzamenti, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he is here, officer is here. Then I have, do you have, sorry, you have Pizzamenti, then do you have Javon Parks?
No.
Okay.
I have a Purry, Kevin Purry.
Yep, we have Kevin Purry. So I'm wondering if under the new system, you don't have Javon Parks.
Let me look at my. Some attorney called saying that you did have somebody that you're working with.
He's talking about Ron.
Hold on, guys. Let's stop, please. Let's just, because I need to go through them one at a time. So Javon Parks, I need to try to understand what's going on with Javon Parks. Unless you have information related to Javon Parks, because I want to take them one at a time because I have so many names in these breakout rooms. Probably not. She's in room 2 in the breakout rooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was in it.
Okay. So you don't know about Javon.
Let me look at my phone. See it.
Okay. Javon Parks. Then I have you down for Curry.
E-E-O-N.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, it is. These are recently scheduled.
That's okay. As I was telling him, this new system.
It's my file. We just,
Javon Parks is.
I'll get a hopper and see. What's your charge?
Hold on one second. Yep, so you definitely need to jump in there and talk to Tamika because you've got lots of them.
I can give you my offer sheet that I wrote for the 915. For the 915.
And then
Ashley Thomas as well, Thompson. She may.
Do you need this back?
Did you just say you were appointed on a Pruitt?
Hurry.
No, somebody said Pruitt.
No, he said Hurry. Kevin Hurry.
Kim, I heard him say Pruitt. I know he said Curry. Yeah, but I thought he said Pruitt too.
No.
Because I had a Pruitt today.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was earlier.
Okay. Ashley Thompson or Thomas?
Thompson.
Thompson. Okay, thank you. Okay. All right. And Thompson, is she still here? Yep, she is. Okay, I'm gonna move her up. So we can try to get everybody grouped. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. Too many different things going on. I moved her to 10. Because I wanted to make sure, because Mr. Pruitt kept saying, I talked to an attorney, so we're taking this to trial. And I'm like, yeah, no. All right, you should be able to see all his files there. We just dismissed it. Mr. Porterfield?
Yeah.
I know your device went out, but your ticket was dismissed. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, Soroki giving you co-host so you can get into room 2.
Thank you.
Okay. You need me to move you?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, can I have the Deshaun Pearson file, please? I think Soroki has more cases than House Counsel today. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1866548, P1813532, P1813531, P1443376. These are all City versus Deshaun Pearson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. If I may please this most honorable court, Chester Gillespie, 83295, representing Mr. Deshaun Pearson, who's present and consents to this hearing via Zoom. Mr. Pearson, will you please state your name for the record? Unmute your microphone.
John Pearson.
Thank you. All right, counsel. We've got a number of tickets here today, several of them in default. So in the first one I read, that's a failure to use due care and caution resulting in an accident that's in default along with the license suspended. Then I've got the second ticket was a license suspended. The third ticket I read, both in default from 2025, 21 to 25 over, failure to use seatbelt. I've then got a 2023 default for improper lane usage along with the driving while license suspended from that ticket, that last ticket. All right, what's the resolution today?
Yes, Your Honor. I talked with the city attorney and 2 of the matters were dismissed. Both Ambrose tickets, the city prosecution agreed, or city attorney agreed to dismiss those. And then on the 482 and the 481.
One
sorry.
moment, are you a motion to pull, there's the Ambrose tickets, at least one of them is completely in default. Are you making a motion to pull them out of default and dismiss?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask that you remove the default judgment, a motion to set aside the default judgment. Now that he has counsel appeared and he's appearing before the court today, we would ask to set aside the default judgment, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you, and dismiss both of those as to that ticket and the other ticket as to Officer Ambrose, which is not in default. That'll be dismissed as well. Okay.
Yes. And then if the matters in 481 and 482 are in default, we would ask the court to set aside those default judgments as well, as Your Honor, as Mr. Pearson has been before the court. If I'm not mistaken, it's our third time.
All right, motion to set aside the default on ticket ending in 48 count 2 will be granted. The other one is a misdemeanor, so that one's not in default.
Okay.
Okay, and so what action are we taking with respect to that ticket?
The 481 is not the misdemeanor, right?
That is the
482
misdemeanor.
is the misdemeanor.
License.
Oh, 481 is the misdemeanor. Okay, so for the
Yes.
481, we've agreed to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle on that one.
Okay.
And then on the 482 is limited access 1 to 5.
Okay.
And
All right.
I had the opportunity to speak with my client, and he's willing to accept those charges.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you make sure that this 2023 ticket is not open as to the misdemeanor, that we don't have a warrant there or anything? Okay. All right, Mr. Pearson, does all of that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We also have a ticket as to Officer Bolthouse, Attorney Jeans. That's a driving while license suspended. And improper lane usage on that ticket from 2023. The improper lane usage is in default, and it's probably too late for me to pull it out. It's 3 years. But he's got an improper lane usage on that ticket that's in default. There's also a driving while license suspended on that ticket. Did you address that with City Attorney?
Yes, she told me that she would dismiss that one as well, but I didn't know they were in default. We would ask the court to set aside those default judgments so we could have those matters dismissed, but that's what me and the city attorney discussed, to have all those matters dismissed.
All right, if you guys agreed to that, I will do it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. What it will mean to the Secretary of State, because it's already extracted, I don't know, but I will certainly dismiss it here.
Okay.
All right, so then there's just one allowing 1 to 5 over limited access, Mr. Pearson. Mr. Pearson, please point the camera at your face. I don't know what I'm looking at.
I'm sorry.
Take your hood off too, Mr. Pearson, please. There you go.
All right, does this all sound correct to you, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Can you say that again?
Did anyone promise you anything else that wasn't stated to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today, because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need an answer, Mr. Pearson.
Say it again.
Do you swear to tell the truth, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 12th of 2026, in the area of Marlow and Pilgrim in Detroit, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. And then you are admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at that date and location. Is that correct?
Yes.
That will be entered as a limited access ticket. On the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that fine is $190. On the 1 to 5 over limited access, it's $125. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things: pay these off in full, or come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them if you need an extended payment plan. Get started on that payment plan with them within the next 60 days and your deal remains intact, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You have a better one.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day to you and your staff.
Thank you. Same to you, counsel. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
All right, Mr. Parks Ruff, go ahead and turn your camera on and unmute, please. On the iPhone, I need you to give me a name, please. Unmute and give me a name on the iPhone or you will be removed.
Terry Parks Ruff.
Got you, Mr. Parks Ruff. On the iPhone that does not have a name, what is your name?
Romero Turner.
Oh, okay. You left and came back. We'll be with you in a moment. Calling ticket number P1798327 and P1865074, City versus Terry Parks Ruff Jr. Mr. Parks Ruff Jr., please state your name for the record.
Terry Parks Ruff Jr.
Thank you. Looks like we're going to be dismissing the 2025 no insurance and amending the 2026 no insurance to improper plates. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
I can't hear you.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am, they did not.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, she advised me of all my rights.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Absolutely.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Okay. I swear that everything I'm telling you today is the truth.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. All right. Is it true that on February 11th of 2026 in the area of Cass Avenue and West Palmer, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Absolutely.
Thank you. All right, your fine is going to be $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things: pay it off in full or see the cashiers on the first floor.
Okay.
For a payment plan. Sorry, if you need more than 60 days. As long as you get started on the payment plan within the 60 days, your deal will remain in place, okay? All right. Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the Romero?
Pay like a payment today and a payment like next week or something like that?
Don't try to pay today. Wait until at least tomorrow, but you have 60 days to get it done. So anytime within the next 60 days, get it paid or get on a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Mr. Turner, how may I help you? Unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, I had logged in earlier, right? And they had me in the attorney room. And they just logged me out. So I said, what's going on?
It logged you out or you left?
I thought they logged me out.
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you. What did you say?
Can you hear me?
I can.
Well, I was talking to an attorney, then he had me in the room for like at least 40 minutes. And then,
Mr. Turner, while you were sitting here, I took a moment to just count up the number of tickets for you that I'm holding in my hand. Right. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on.
Turn the camera on?
Yeah, turn your camera on. You have 38 tickets. 38 tickets, including a number of tickets in default. That means the court already deemed you guilty, put points on your license, and charged you money. Your attorney has to go talk to the city about that and see if they'll do anything about that for you. And that takes time. Now, if you have to leave, I can give you a date to come back, but 38 tickets, probably the most I've got on the docket for anybody today. That takes time. Were you talking with a male attorney or a female attorney?
With the male.
If I may, Judge, I'm sorry for interrupting. He spoke to me, Mr. Taylor, Mr. Turner, excuse me. We spoke, and I just finished talking with the city attorney. I do have an offer. If Mr. Turner has a few more minutes, I can discuss it with him.
All right, I'll move him to room 11. Room 11, Mr. Turner.
Thank you, Judge.
Are you aware of the ones in default, Attorney Theory, so that I can
No.
give you those?
Well, that's the other thing, Judge. When you mention those other tickets,
so I've got a January of 2026 disregarding red or yellow light and no proof of insurance civil, both in default. I also have from a January 2026, looks like that same day, failure to stop for a stop sign and no proof of insurance. That's a little bit odd because was it a light or was it a stop sign? Oh, you got two different locations same day. Then I've got 2024, January of 2024, which is a little late at this time for setting aside, but he's got a failure to use seatbelt in default and a allowing passenger to ride without seatbelt in default. So those aren't too harmful, but they are in default. No points in their cheap tickets, Mr. Turner, but they are in default. So yeah, the ones that I just read, you are the ones that are going to be the major concern. He's got a 2025 in default for expired plates. Again, no points, but it's a fine. Then he's got a 2025 ticket, July of 2025, where he has a default window tint and a default no proof of insurance. And then I've got a 2025 ticket, defaulted, no registration, and no proof of insurance. That's from June of 2025. All right, so Mr. Turner, what I just told your attorney was you have two tickets in default, several actually, the disregarding red or yellow light and the failure to stop for a stop sign, both in default from 2026. He can still address with the city attorney. You've probably got about 6 points on your license right now from those, but it takes time for him to talk to the city attorney and see what they're willing to do. Okay, so if you have the time, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. I have to move him again because he didn't go. I'm going to move him to 12. If you have the time to wait, the attorney's going to just try to get an offer. If you don't, Mr. Fury, if you go see him in room 12, if he needs a date to come back, that's fine with me too, but it's going to take time either whenever he's here. Okay, room 12. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Turner, go to room 12 so Mr. Fury can come and see you, please. All right, I have Anthony Taylor, calling ticket number P1857444, City versus Anthony Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Anthony Sean Taylor.
Thank you. They've requested that I appoint an MIDC attorney to you, so we're going to go ahead and do that at this time because they are not making an offer on the ticket. So I'm going to put in for appointment of counsel. Who spoke with Mr. Taylor? Do we have his contact information?
Yes, Your Honor, I spoke to him, Gerald Ferry, House Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Taylor. As a matter of fact, I'm chatting that information right now to your court clerk, and I'm sending it right now.
All right. So, Mr. Taylor, I'm going to have you come back to meet with the court-appointed attorney on May 12th at 9:15 a.m. You may hear from them before then. If you don't, then you will definitely see them when you get here on May 12th so that you guys can decide which direction you want to take the case, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge. I'll go speak to Mr. return.
Thank you. And then Mr.
Your-
Pegues.
Yes, Your Honor.
Calling ticket number P1876057 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Christopher Pegues. Mr. Pegues, looks like you're just going to be admitting to one count of improper equipment. The insurance and registration tickets are being dismissed. Is that correct, Attorney Gaten Robinson?
Yes, Mr. Pegues, if you have something that's on your hair for not religious or medical purposes, please remove it. Thank you.
All right. All right. The improper equipment, then this is alleging that on March 3rd, 2026, in the area of Livernois and Linden, that you had improper equipment on your vehicle in the form of tinted windows. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And you are making that admission at this time?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. All right. 160 is the fine, right, on improper equipment? Or is it 165?
120.
Oh, 120. Okay. All right. $120. 60 days to get it paid, or see the cashiers on the first floor to get on a payment plan. As long as you do want to do those two things, your deal remains in place. For the record, your other tickets are dismissed pursuant to your plea or for compliance. Have a good day.
It was well, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay,
Your
Attorney
Honor,
Gaten
can I
Robinson.
check with regards to Ms. Thomas as to whether or not her officer ever appeared?
Who was the
Jasmine.
officer?
Who
was the officer?
Thomas. The officer officers are Sears and Thornton.
I have not heard from either of those officers.
Okay, I'm gonna bring her out.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Parks. We did discover that Soroki is your attorney. Did he send you back out?
Yes. Hey, how you doing, Your Honor?
Good. All right. Give me one moment. Beniquez Taylor Jr., good morning. What time are you scheduled for court today? Unmute, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. My lawyer told me she wanted me to come in, but I wasn't able to come in, so she gave me the Zoom information. She told me to be there at 9.
It's 10:15.
Yes, ma'am. I wasn't able to find a ride.
I'm just looking for you on the docket. Who's your attorney?
Sarah.
I don't know if you're telling me a first name or a last name.
Oh, that was her first name. I'm sorry. It was Sarah Carr, I believe. Khan.
Okay, one moment, Mr. Taylor. Calling tickets number P1357767 and P1380289. Both of these are City versus Johnsana Thomas. Ms. Thomas, state your name for the record, please.
Johnsana Thomas.
Johnsana, thank you for correcting my pronunciation. All right. Both of your tickets, all your tickets are being dismissed. The officers who were subpoenaed to appear for trial today have failed to appear and failed to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. These tickets are dismissed.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Ferry? Device that says Zoom user, please unmute, give me a name or you will be removed.
Robert Pizzamenti.
Oh, Mr. Pizzamenti, okay. The officer is here in your case. Your attorney is here as well.
Okay, I was in room 5, but it somehow got disconnected.
Yep, Soroki's here. I'll get you back into 5.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. Mr. Parks, what did the attorney tell you when he sent you out? Are you getting another date?
No, I was pleading guilty to 3 of my tickets, and 6 of them was getting dropped.
Okay, then he'll be out here in a minute to tell me about that. Mr. Pizzaventi,
Okay.
you should be in room 5 now. April 27th.
That was,
Okay. Okay. We ready on, Mr. Park?
Yes, we're ready on Parks, right?
Okay. All right, calling tickets number P1246857 and P1687558, P1699113, P1468473, P1246864, and P1188145. All of these are City versus Javon Parks. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Stroke, P37441. Appear on behalf of the defendant. What is your full name for the record, sir?
Javon Terrell Parks.
Your Honor, defendant is accepting the prosecution's matter. There has been a change to the offer. The defendant will be pleading to 3 tickets, and he's pleading to the license improper, which will be reduced to failure to display. That's ticket ending in 473, count 2. He'll also be pleading to no insurance misdemeanor, which will be reduced to improper plates. And that's ticket ending in 473, count 3. And ticket for ending in 5581, marijuana in public. That ticket is pleading to as charged.
Thank you. No delay.
No delay on that. Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Parks, so as you said, you'd be pleading guilty to 3 things: 1 failure to display, 1 improper plates, and then the marijuana ticket. Is all of that, everything else would be dismissed? Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I do want to inform you that you do have 1 ticket for expired plates in default from 2021. I can't pull it out of default because it's been too long. It doesn't put points on your license. It's just a fine, okay?
Oh, okay.
I just want you to know that that's hanging out there. When you go to do, if your payment plan, they'll probably want you to roll that in. All right. Did anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on July 7th of 2023 in the area of East Lafayette and Rivard in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And finally, is it true that on September 14th of 2025 in the area of Madison and Beaubien in the city of Detroit, that you were consuming marijuana in a public place or a place where it was prohibited by the owner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, your fines are as follows. On your failure to display, that's $190. On the improper plates, it's $100. On your marijuana ticket, that one goes back up to $190. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things, and that is pay the tickets in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor if you need a longer time to pay, okay? I'm giving you the 90 days because they're going to want a down payment from you, and I want you to have time to get that down payment together and get started on the payment plan so you don't lose the benefit of this deal, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you. I appreciate you, Your Honor. You too.
Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you. Let me get all. Okay, great. I'll take the Omega Palmer file, Madam Clerk. I'm bringing her out now. Okay, thank you. Calling ticket number P1837640, City versus Omega Palmer, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Stroke, P37441, appear to be the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Ms. Palmer, I need you to state your name for the record, please.
Omega Palmer.
Thank you, counsel.
Ms. Palmer, did you wish to accept the offer of 3-month delayed sentence to a plea and dismiss and no insurance ticket on this vehicle?
I'm sorry, say it again, sir.
You want to accept the offer of a 3-month delayed sentence on this?
The officer in your
Allowing a licensed driver to drive.
The officer who was subpoenaed for trial today has appeared. As such, you've received an offer in your matter. Your counsel is asking you if you wish to accept it. It would be a 3-month delayed sentence on the allowing unlicensed driver to drive, which means as long as you paid the fine and got no similar tickets for 3 months, it would be removed from your record, and then they would dismiss the no insurance count. He's asking you if you wish to accept that. Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, and it's no points.
Yes.
No, I do not want to accept.
Okay, all right. She wishes to proceed to trial. Okay, then Ms. Palmer, go ahead and check your device. Please return yourself to breakout room number 3. I'll make a note that the officer is here and we are proceeding with trial and shortly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you call in Mr. Kevin Pure?
Sure. Attorney Theory, do you need me?
No, Your Honor, I think I'm pretty much done, but I'm waiting around in case you need any help or something comes up. I'm just typing in some info for the court clerk.
Okay, Ms. Palmer, go ahead back to your breakout room if you can. See if you see something that says join and the attorney will be back to speak with you again.
Okay, thank you. Still waiting.
Kevin Purry file, please. Thank you. I'm giving you this back because we're going to go to trial there. On Kevin Purry, I have ticket number P1874977 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Kevin Eugene Purry. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Stroke, P37441, appear to be at the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Kevin Eugene Purry.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Purry is requesting a trial by judge in this matter.
Right. Our next trial date is May the 19th at 9:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that would be fine. And what time?
9:30.
Mr. Purry, do you want to have that trial by Zoom, or do you want to be in person?
I guess the judge person.
You can, so the question is, do you want to Zoom in for your trial like you did today, or do you want to come in person? You can do it either way.
Oh, I'll do it Zoom.
Okay, then we'll see you by Zoom, May 19th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Cool.
I think that's it for right now.
We've got things that are going to trial here, right? So we've got Omega Palmer offer was rejected. That one's going to trial. We have Mr. Pizzamenti that is going to trial. Did you talk with Attorney Perkins in room 2, Ms. Horn?
I did, Your Honor. We're asking for an adjournment for discovery.
Okay, this one's not set for trial today, so that's okay. Okay. So we'll get Richard Phillips out then and we'll get that on the record.
And the people are just asking for 30 days in that.
Okay. Ms. Palmer, I'm gonna move you because you don't seem to be able to move yourself. So I'm gonna move you twice. I need you to watch your device.
Okay, thank you.
Join room 11 and then I'm gonna move.
Your Honor, Ms. Palmer, we'll move for dismissal. It's an allowing and no insurance. Just, whoever's taking the car, just be aware of whoever's taking your car.
Okay.
All right, recalling ticket number P1837640, City versus Omega Palmer. Ms. Palmer, state your name for the record, please.
Omega Palmer.
Thank you. All right, this ticket is being dismissed at this time. Both tickets, have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, where's Perkins? So I've got Beniquez Taylor here, who was scheduled for yesterday. He's telling me that an attorney told him to come today, and I'm trying to get to Mr. Taylor. Unmute, please. Okay. Now, Mr. Taylor, I'm trying to get a better understanding of what we're doing. You were scheduled for Mr. Phillips. I'm just waiting for Mr. Perkins to come back into the room so we can give you a date to come back. They've asked for an adjournment for discovery. Okay.
Okay.
For your attorney to join me here in this room. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Taylor, I'm trying to understand who you spoke to. You have an attorney that you're paying? Mr. Taylor, I can't hear you. I need you to turn your video on.
Do you hear me, Your Honor?
Okay, I can hear you. Okay, now I'm trying to understand. You said an attorney told you to come today. Not a bad idea when you've missed court, so we'll remove the warrant that would have gone out yesterday.
Yeah, she
But
told
then
me,
I need to
she
figure out
called.
how we're proceeding. Is this an attorney that you're paying to represent you in this matter, or you've retained?
No, this was my court-appointed lawyer. She's calling me back now.
Okay, go ahead and answer.
Shara. One moment.
Answer and ask her to join the Zoom. Okay, guys, if you are done, you are done, and I will just wait to we'll wait to get the email from Madam Clerk. Thank you for your hard work today.
Madam Clerk, check your email.
I got it. Thank you.
All right, have a great one.
Thank you, guys. Attorney
Thank you,
Perkins,
Judge.
looks
You
like
and your staff. Phyllis, take care. Thanks.
You too.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for your hard work today. Attorney Perkins, looks like we're asking for a 30-day adjournment on the Richard Phillips matter. Is that correct? We have that file.
Correct. There was some delay in getting the discovery, Your Honor.
All right.
I think Ms. Horn corrected that issue and has sent or has it on its way to me.
Okay.
Yes, and Your Honor, I don't see an email from the firm. It may have been sent, but when I did the search in my Outlook, I didn't see a request for Richard Phillips.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, well, 30 days should be enough either way. So calling ticket number Z8099581, City versus Richard Phillips. Okay, Mr. Phillips, you can go ahead and turn your camera back on now. Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips, can you give us your name?
Yes, Richard Phillips.
Thank you. All right. Our 30-day date is May 28th. Counsel, does that work for you?
That's fine.
Okay. All right. We'll adjourn this to May the 28th at 9:15 a.m. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
And it looks like we have trial for Pizzamenti.
Yep, we've got Pizzamenti going, which I'd like to get started soon.
If Madam Clerk, could you send me the tickets?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And I just want to go check in on the other courtroom and I'll be right back.
Mr. Phillips, I'm gonna go ahead and release you, okay? Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye. Do you hear that noise? Yeah. Oh, was it? I'm like, I just didn't know what it was. I didn't know it was coming from next door. Or, people that signed you. No, we give you the number to the probation department and they assign you something. Or did you speak to someone there? Okay. Good morning, Ms. Thompson. Did the attorney come? Did he come in and speak with you?
He was trying to figure out if somebody had appointed me an attorney, and he told me he'd be back and never came back.
Okay, so we did figure out that you were appointed an attorney.
Okay.
That attorney is here, so let me just try to get the offer typed up for you. Okay, all right, so they are making an offer. I'm gonna move you up to room 3, okay? Because I want him to get to you quickly. Go to room 3, and then I will make sure he gets there right away.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And would you please answer me and tell him that he missed one? No, just let him know he missed somebody. He missed Miss Thompson.
Okay.
Thank you. Where did I see with her offer? Did she rejoin the room? Ms. Thompson? Oh, she got kicked out. Okay, I don't know what happened, but I'm sending you to room 3. He'll be there.
Okay.
With us. Oh, I have it. Why?
You right here.
I just brought you out to let you know that I am waiting just like you are, and I apologize. I've been sitting here waiting for the attorneys to return to do this for quite some time. Mr. Pizzaminti is here for trial, which means he's got to wait. We have trial today. Ms. Thompson, if you need a date to come back, I can give you that. But there is an offer in your matter. It's a reduction. One moment.
You want to hit them? One here.
I'm trying to find Ms. Thompson on the offer sheet. Where is it?
Should be at 9:15.
Okay. Let's see. Yep, so they're offering to just reduce yours, but given the nature of the offense, it really is important that you talk to an attorney. I wouldn't want to take a plea from you today on that. So if you can wait, he's coming back. If you can't, let me know and I'll give you another date, okay?
Okay, I can wait. It's fine.
All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back in your breakout rooms. Thanks.
Oh.
All right, Mr. Pizminti, I'm moving you twice. So go to 6 and I'll move you back to 5. It's very frustrating.
I apologize. Every time I answer my phone, somehow I get disconnected.
All right, you were on with your attorney. Mr.
Hello?
Taylor?
Yes,
Hi, you were on.
yes, ma'am. I have two different court things going on now. I have my CPL, and then they say I have a traffic thing. I think that's the one that you told me I missed yesterday.
Correct.
Yes, I was wondering if I can reschedule that one. I was thinking that I was supposed to come to court for the traffic today, and then on the 30th that I had the arraignment for my CCW charge.
Okay, let's try to move him up from the 3 weeks since he doesn't need mail notice. Can we do that?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What is it, next week or?
Yeah, why don't we do next?
Or 20th? Wait, what is
This is the 28th.
Oh.
So next week would be 6th. Okay, let's do May 6th. Here's the problem. You have retained counsel. You need to make sure that your attorney can be there on May 6th. Otherwise, are you using one of the attorneys here?
I'm going to use a court-appointed attorney.
For this, okay, all right. So we'll see you back on May 6th at 8:35 a.m. Okay, you can just zoom in like this. Don't be
8:35.
late. Yeah.
The same numbers, right?
Yep, 8:35 a.m. Okay.
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Roman, please stop and go sit down while mommy take care of this business. Go cut the TV on. Go get the remote and cut the TV on so you can watch Blue's Clues.
Okay, Miss Thompson, I see you are handling it all this morning. Okay. So looks like you got to talk to Mr. Soroki. He's probably going to request some discovery in your case. That's probably why he needs the final pretrial. So I'm going to set your final pretrial for May the 19th, okay, at 9:15, because you're already with us on the 19th. So is that okay? Okay. So May 19th at 9:15 a.m. I don't have that file. Oh, yes, I do. And we will let you get back to your little one, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Great day.
You too.
And you got to talk to Mr. Pizzamenti.
Mr. Pizzamenti is going to accept the plea.
Is he?
Yes.
Shocker. Okay. We'll go ahead and get him out here.
He and I get along well.
Yeah, he's a pretty easy guy to get along with. Yeah. I just hate that they keep picking him for these things. Goats.
The video of the goat chasing and the person.
It's gone viral.
It's funny, but that was staged. I know they go to the chase of there. Somebody happened to be.
Yeah, very possible. Because I was laughing to myself. I'm like, goats go on top of cars real easy. That's the one where the guy jumped on top of the car. I was like, if that goat wants you, it's coming there too.
My father used to be a farmer, so.
Yeah.
Until he was 30 years old, so he was a real farmer.
Okay.
And, he had goats,
Yeah.
mules, horses.
Yeah.
And the rat, and so they used to love. He loved him.
All right. How you doing, Mr. Pizzamenti?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Good. We'll try to get Investigator Hoskins out here. We'll call your matters. All right. Calling ticket number V141752753 753 and 754. These are all city versus Robert Pizzamenti. All right, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the records here?
Robert Pizzamenti?
Yes. Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial. Mr. Pizzamenti wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution. He'll be pleading to one count of wild animal and the other two counts will be dismissed. He'll plead to count ending in 5226.
52. Thank you. All right. Very good. And then the others will be dismissed. Mr. Pizzamenti, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor. Mm-hmm.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on January 30th of 2026, you owned, harbored, or kept a farm animal in the form of a very large black goat at that location in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you satisfied with that, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, sir. Fine is $190. 60 days to to get it paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers. As long as you do one of those, the deal will remain intact. Investigator Hoskins, did you wish to place your appearance on the record? Place your name on the record.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, City of Detroit Animal Control, Investigator badge number 44.
All right, thank you. All right, you guys have a good day. Madam Court Reporter, thank you for all of your work today. Appreciate everyone.
Right, thank you, Your Honor.